Alright, so this is my initial move, which opens this area back up. So I'm going to do a little quick video here just right after, giving you a little bit better tour, I hope, so that you can see the difference. It's still a little bit cluttered. However, I am in the process of reorganizing it to make it more efficient and open. So don't go away. I'll have a second video right after this one to do a sort of swing around the room. Alright, so let me know how this video works out for you guys, because I'm still kind of experimenting here. And again, the feedback is always really handy. Alright, so I'm going to do a slow pan around. I hope there's enough lighting. To my recliner, blackout shades. Really, the biggest change you see behind me was opening this all up and put the laptop pretty much right where I sit. And that is Sherlock. What you doing, pal? Yeah, the other one's around somewhere. This is the one that's always out and following me around. So again, and actually the table, as you can see, is actually right over where, when I originally bought the house, that's where the table was. Over time, honestly, what's happened is, since I tend to be more in the living room, this is where everything sort of migrated into, and it just became another cluttered, inefficient spot. So, I hope you liked the video. Again, as always, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and thank you for watching Mark in Maine.